to solve simultaneous equation, the equations here are x plus y equals to 7 and x minus y equals to 3. Okay, simultaneously means we need to solve the two together. Okay, and also there are different ways to solve these equations. All right, and one of the ways is elimination method, substitution method, other tricky methods. Okay, okay, let's use elimination. Why are we using elimination? Because the quotient of x here and quotient of x here are the same, which is 1 1. The quotient of y and quotient of y here are 1 1. So we can easily use elimination method. Okay, solution to this is x plus y equals to 7. Let's call this equation 1. And x minus y equals to 3. Let's call this equation 2. So elimination method. So what do we eliminate? Do we eliminate x or y? Whichever one we choose, we can easily eliminate. Okay, but let's look at this. Y has positive here, has negative here. So what do I do? Should I add the two equations or do I subtract the two so that this y can go? All right, so I need to add the two so that y can go. Okay, x plus s will give me 2x and y plus minus y. This means that what plus times y, plus times minus. Plus times minus is always negative, okay? So we have y minus y, and y minus y will be 0. So we have 0. This is 7 plus 3 is 10, okay? So this is 2x equals to 10. So finding the value of x, we divide both sides by equations of x, and that is 2. So this will be x equals to 10 over 2. S is equals to 5. Now, since we have gotten the value of 1, what do? We replace it back in any of these equations. Okay, otherwise we call it substitution. Okay, let's pick equation 1. Equation 1 says x plus y is equals to 7. So really, let's replace 5. Okay, let's replace x with 5. So anywhere we see x, we put 5. So 5 should be here, y equals to 7. So making this the subject by collecting the like terms. So this will come over here, we then have 7 minus 5 because here is positive. So crossing here changes it to negative. So y will be 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, this means that when s is equals to 5, y is equals to 2. When is equals to 5, y is equals to 2. So option A is the best option. All right. Thank you for being there.